whenever I'm starting my day in morning, I generally zoom out. That means I always go into 1 hour. So I start always with 1 hour and then come level downs always. And this is the levels which I mark. So kind of this acts also as liquidity zones. Today it was like a Friday. It took this liquidity. Earlier this was the low from the 40%, the 120 zone. So I marked this. So on Friday, this low was swept. So again, there was a bottom formed, and then again I form again this levels. So today, so these are the all the levels marking on the higher time frame, and then I go to 15-minute time frame where now actually I draw this. Let's say this volume profile, and on this volume profile I am basically trading only when the price is this dark level. This is like the pivot level for me, and this is the lowest where the volume was accumulated, and this is like the highest where the volume was accumulated. So there was one liquidity here. So when the price was trading on this candle, the volume profile was highest over here. Now that it's gone up, so the volume profile went up. So I marked, okay, this zone. So this is the zone which I had marked, and then I go down to the 3-minute time zone. So now as soon as like the price went up, but now price is trying to come back to this level which was the lowest but the highest volume zone.
Prateesh, thank you so much for coming on today. How are you doing?
Thank you, Sam. I'm really excited today. Yeah, I'm really good.
Prateesh, you're doing really, really well. 2 funded accounts with us, your first ever payout with us at least, and I know you're probably itching to get paid. Or is it possible you could request a payout right now, and then we can time how quick it takes to arrive?
Okay, I'm okay with that. So I will hit request payout.
Yep.
So I will choose crypto because that is what I will do.
hmm
And then I will say, let's say max amount.
I would say for the futures, do make sure that the amount you're requesting, because I believe you want to keep a buffer um, on your futures accounts. That makes sense because otherwise your buffer will be zero.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. So okay, I will take 1000 for now. I will keep
However,
1000 as
entirely
buffer.
up to you. Obviously, I mean, I'm just because yeah, I don't want you know
Yeah, yeah, no, that's
anything bad.
thanks for the recommendation. This is my first payout for futures in general, so thank you for recommending. I'll do
No
that.
problem.
Okay, now.
There it is. Okay, I'll hit start. Awesome. So I've hit start on the timer. So Pratesh, whenever that money comes through into your wallet, please do let me know. Pratesh, I would love to kind of get to know you as a person a little bit more. Like, do you have a full-time job outside of trading, or is trading your main income, or?
No, I work as a consultant, like basically a business analyst on a business analyst role. So that's my main job. And trading, I started as a like I like trading. I was doing trading in India, so back in 2017, since like stock market and futures and options. And then I got to know about Forex market, and then slowly got into this futures trading and then prop firm trading.
So you started trading how many years ago, roughly? Would you say?
2017, so like 9 years now.
Wow. Okay, so you've been in trading for a long time. How long did it kind of take you, would you say, until you started seeing results with your trading?
Trading really took a lot of time for me. In Indian market, it was like 2, 3 years. After 2, 3 years, I became profitable. And then when I switched to Forex market, so like I will say since 2019 or 20, the Corona period, I started into Forex trading, and now roughly last year, mid of last year, I think I became up at break even. So 5 years to come into break even in Forex.
I understand, like, Forex is very difficult to crack.
Yeah.
So 5 years is still a very good time. But would you say what were the kind of the main differences of trading, the Indian market to Forex? Was there, was it different in structure? Did you have to kind of change your whole trading style?
Mostly like I am a price action trader, so in Indian market is like we have a specified time from 9:15 a.m. in morning till like 3:30 p.m. The trading starts. So whatever there is any global news impact, so the market either goes like gap up opening or has a gap down opening. And if I'm in a position, overnight position, then that really kills me. Maybe someday I will go in profit, but mostly it used to come down, or let's say I used to go in loss. But Forex is like 24, or at least like 5 days a week. It's trading all 24 hours. So that helps me
Mm.
to gain the price action knowledge and apply the knowledge like what are the support and resistance and where is the liquidity, where can I, like I'm more into price action and liquidity grab trading. So that really helps me when the market is really open for all 24 hours.
No, absolutely agree. You want a market with a good liquid market,
Yeah.
where there's a actual movement. So 100% agree with that. What is what is kind of your favorite instruments to trade
Uh,
in
Yeah, that's easy. I used to trade gold a lot till last year. So gold was my primary, but now I started trading in silver too, and silver is like good for me now.
how has it been since you've been a gold and silver trader? The crazy movements we've had. How's that? How have you adapted to that recently?
So in all these crazy moments, a good thing for me is whenever these moments are happening, it's either overnight or like middle of the night, right? So I am not into that because when I'm trading New York session, okay, the price moves, but it's not that much that is going to impact me. So I'm kind of safe in that zone, but I have kind of a way where I'm using volumetric profile also. So it helps me, okay, where is the more liquidity or where more volume is traded. So that's the only zone which I like to trade. If market is going above that zone or below that zone, I'm out. I'm not taking any trades.
Very good stuff. Um, I would love to know kind of I guess your strategy. Now, of course, if there's something you'd rather keep secret, that's absolutely fine. But could you kind of walk us through what you would look for on a day-to-day basis? And if you would like to share a chart to help
Yeah.
explain that, that would be absolutely fine as well. That'd be great, actually.
Yeah. Okay. What I will do is I will stop sharing of this current screen and
Sure.
then I will share my new screen. So I'm on my trading view charts now.
Yep.
So generally what I do is, let's say whenever I'm starting my day in morning, I generally zoom out. That means I always go into 1 hour. So I start always with 1 hour and then come level downs always. And this is the levels which I mark. So kind of this acts also as liquidity zones. So if you see today, today it was like my Friday, it took this liquidity. Earlier, this was the low from the 40%, the 120 zone. So I
Hmm.
marked this. So on Friday, this low was swept, and then again I waited to okay, this zone was swept. So again there was a bottom formed, and then again I form again this levels. So today, so these are the all the levels marking on the higher time frame, and then I go
Hmm.
to 15-minute time frame where now actually I draw this let's say this volume profile, and on this volume profile I am basically trading only when the price is this dark level. This is like the pivot level for me, and this is the lowest where the volume was accumulated, and this is like the highest where the volume was accumulated. And whenever there is so there was one liquidity here. So when the price was trading on this candle, the volume profile was highest over here. Now that it's gone up, so the volume profile went up. So I marked, okay, this zone. So this is the zone which I had marked. And then I go down to the 3-minute time zone. So now as soon as like the price went up, but now price is trying to come back to this level, which was the lowest, but the highest volume zone. So now when the price is going to touch here, we can also see like this is kind of a support zone. So when the price will touch, like will form a candle over here, which means it's going to break this support. But then if it forms a pin bar, whenever the pin bar's high is taken, I will take a buy trade and probably to this average. This is my moving average nine moving average. So whenever it touches that moving average, it will be my target, or probably I will also target the next top.
So I also see at the bottom there you have I'm assuming, is that an RSI or a stochastics or some kind of oscillator that you're
Yeah,
kind of
this is
looking for
the
divergence?
yeah, this is the RSI divergence map, like an indicator. This also helps me when there is like the price is coming down, 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 and it sometimes it's really hard to understand if it is a double bottom. But if you see in the RSI, this is kind of a double bottom now. So this is also a trade where liquidity is swept, RSI is going up or it's forming double bottom, and now I can trade in. And
Absolutely, absolutely.
sorry, Sam, just to cut you.
Yep, no
I have
problem.
received my $960 deposit right away.
Amazing. I'm going to hit stop on the timer. That's 8 minutes 22 seconds from request to actual payout. Pratesh, is it possible you could show us just whether it's the deposit, whether it's the email, whatever you're comfortable sharing, just show us that payout for the
Yeah,
for the viewers.
I will
Thank you.
share one of my other screen. So today's time, so this is my time, 9
Hmm.
13:52, and I will say
There we go.
this is the spot wallet and this much is the amount I received today.
Amazing. Incredible stuff. Crypto is incredible stuff, right? How quick
Yeah,
you just send money, boom, boom.
yeah,
Really, really awesome. Um, but yeah, that was actually a very quick payout, even for us. So I think it was like 8 minutes 22 seconds.
yeah. Compared to like what other
That's quick.
uh, prop firms I have used, so yeah, this was really, really quick, like a record breaking.
Amazing. Speaking about other prop firms, what would you say Ola Prime is doing better than the others? Or are there things other prop firms do better than us? What's kind of like an honest comparison?
Uh, Honestly, like I come from a background or my profession is where I give support to someone. So for me as a client, like I'm your client, right? So it's the support which really matters. So Ola Prime in support way, like they are like the best. So whenever I'm pinging them or like the interactive support chat, right? So they try to help as fast as possible. So that is my first thing. And then the platform which I'm trading, like it's really interactive. I can drag and drop my stop losses. I can all my TPs, and I can easily like one click trading. So I can just put the quantity and just click whenever I want to buy or sell. Like that's the best part of Ola trading.
Oh, amazing, amazing. Well, I'm glad the support desk is doing their job
Yeah.
well. That's generally one of the big
Yeah, that's how you retain
compliments we
customers,
get
right?
as
And
well.
the other traders.
Exactly, it's so true. Having a solid support desk, hopefully, you never need to use the support, but should the time come where you do need to use them, you want answers quick and you want things to be
Yeah.
resolved quick. So I totally get it, especially in this day and age with AI chatbots. I think every other company I deal with, like here and there, there's always some AI chatbot. Trying to get through to a human is one of the hardest things now, and
Yeah.
it can be very frustrating. So
Yeah.
I'm
Agree.
very glad that you've had a really good experience. In any other areas, there's something that we could improve on as you as a client, or is there something we're doing really well in other areas?
It's like one more thing I should have mentioned is the dashboard. Some prop firms dashboard updates after like 24 hours or something, so it's really hard to get like, okay, what was the did I really cross out the limit or did I failed or did I like sometimes the breach level happens and then you are not intim like you don't really understand. So the dashboard is
Mm,
also again interactive. It really updates like takes 1 2 minutes, but yeah, it's like you need that much time for the systems to integrate. Yeah, that's like one of the best feature
absolutely.
also.
If you had to describe Ola Prime in one word, what would it be?
Future.
I love it. The future. That's really good. I like that. And we do futures as well, so
Yeah, yeah,
that works really nicely.
yeah, true. Yeah.
um, and before you joined us, were there any kind of doubts or fears that you had before joining?
No, because I started Ola Prime when I was seeing one of the YouTube influencer Dan Chung, so I follow him really
Oh yeah.
closely. Like he has been trading since long, right? And he has taken multiple payouts. And when he came up, like Ola Prime is into futures, and I think you guys have broker also. So
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, so
yeah.
like that gives confidence, right? Like somebody is into broker phase and also now coming into futures phase, so that gives more confident. And I became confident with that, with like he's promoting or he's also trading with you guys, so that gave me more confident. Yeah,
Oh,
that's how
great.
I came.
Well, I'm glad, Dan. I'm glad that his reviews of us, and you're absolutely right. He does trade with us as well. So I'm glad that's
Yeah,
showing a positive, having a positive kind of interaction and experience with us is kind of giving people more clarity and giving us a try, because we really do, we really are under the belief that if you try us out,
yeah,
you'll be happy. We really are trying to be the best prop firm, and that's not just a buzzword. It's not just something we say for fun. Like we're trying to be the best prop firm out there, and
at least
really
till
make a
now, like
difference.
all you are the best. So yeah, you have to set
Well,
your own
thank you.
benchmarks to go higher and higher.
Exactly, and the future we're planning on really changing this industry and becoming market leaders by results and uh, just changing the game. Because the prop industry as a whole has had a lot of negative press, and we totally get why. And but it can be such a good space for both the trader and the firm if done correctly,
Yeah,
and we're determined to do it correctly. So
yeah, I know you will do it.
um, absolutely. And part of that is we need traders like you. We need actual consistent traders who are disciplined, who aren't going to gamble, who are, like seeing trading as a business rather than just a quick
Yeah,
payday. That mindset, if we have enough traders like yourself, a really good client base like that, it's something that, can grow massively. And
exponentially.
that
Yeah,
is that is the exactly. So if you treat us well and you trade well, we're going to treat you extremely well as well,
yeah,
because
it's
it's
give
a
and take
mutual
both ways. Yeah,
beneficial partnership. Exactly. But Pratesh, congratulations
thank
again
you.
on your payout. I have no doubt you're going to keep growing and get more bigger, better payouts in the future as well. And hopefully, at some point in the future, you can come back on and we can have a little update, see how you're getting on, because that would be awesome.
Yeah, looking forward to that. Yeah, thank you.
Me too. Thank you, Pratesh.
Thank
And
you.
to all the viewers, thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on channel notifications, do all of that good stuff. Join our Discord, because there's a lot of good information out there on our Discord, and it's a really great community. But apart from that, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again very soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Hola Prime. Trade with transparency.